All right, so here's what we have next. All right, we've got 5 radical negative 64. So there's a negative under there. The 5 is out front, though. We don't do anything with him. He just hangs out there. He's already taken care of. He's already out from under the radical. All right, so we got 5, and then we have radical 64, and we have radical negative 1. All right, well, so what happens? Well, normally I'd take 64 and start figuring its factors out, but here's the problem. 64 is a perfect square. Its square root is 8. This is 5 times 8, and then times I. Right? Because the square root of negative 1 is I. 5 times 8 is 40, so that's just going to be 40I for that one right there. I go over here. I've got 5 hanging out front, doesn't do anything, just sits there. 5 radical 48 radical negative 1. That's an I. All right, so that's an I. And then I come over here. 1 times 48, 4 times 12. All right, that might look good, but the problem is, eventually, if you look, you're going to get 2 times, not 2, sorry, 3 times 16. All right, you got to be careful here because you need that 16. That's the biggest perfect square. So this becomes 5 radical 16, radical 3. Radical 16 is 4. Square root of 16 is 4. So it's 5 times 4, I, radical 3. Don't forget that I. I keep saying that because I sometimes forget it because I write it like that at the beginning. 5 times 4 is 20. So this should be 20I radical 3.